Alright guys, we got Frugals. That compressor is making sorts of buzzing. See when I put the little C when I push it down a bit, it stops. I know compressors are my thing. Is it? Well, I think the front grate may be loose. I don't know, is the front grate, or I think it may be the cover is not screwed in. Of course, it's working after I don't know where they have this one installed, but I think it's a couple of years ago. Is it? Yep. You see when I push it down a little bit, the noise stops. And when I let go of it, the noise comes back on again.
Was it maybe quick?
I don't know. I don't know. I think it. Yep. That's my favorite things, you know.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Does it
Seems like it's running alright. Seems like it's getting cold.
good, right?
It's working good.
Okay.
I don't know if the noise is normal or not, but is it? Yeah. I just need to like fool around with it until we fixed it. I don't know, it's the front grate doesn't seem to make that noise, but is it coming from underneath? Is it coming from this level? Oh, and it just shut off. Huh. Well, I guess we need to take this one apart and then see what's going on and what's causing that noise. I'm gonna say it's not normal for it to make that noise. I guess.
Carlos, can you come to customer service, please, Carlos?
Well, let's see. Check on the back. Let's see, I think the back is doing good. No leaks, no nothing. It's plugged in. Huh. This is, I don't know, you can see, but this is called I think it's an umbrella cooling. I'm not gonna open the door because I didn't, because it's not my compressor. I didn't feel like fooling around with it too much, especially when I do work on it. Well, huh. Well, oh, sorry. Yeah. I don't know why I was making that sound. Yeah. Of course, the screws are nice and tight. The evaporator fan is working good. I know that works. I know. That one right here makes a bit of sound, like makes a buzzing sound when it's running, but yeah. Yeah. Well, I guess we have to take this one apart and see what's causing that noise. Hopefully it's the condenser fan motor. Maybe loosened or maybe not tight enough yet. But, well, I guess we have to take this one apart and see what we get. I think the condenser fan motor is causing that sound, or the fan is not screwed in right. Well, shall see. It's going good. Yep, it's going good. You know me, right? You've been talking. Yep. You've been seeing me fool around with those refrigerators, you know.
That switch one back there about either part while I work there.
Yeah, you've been talking to me about how this works. Something goes wrong, that's why you need me, right?
Exactly.
Right.
You're gonna be the man.
Yes, you know.
You ready for Christmas?